Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. It's for the week ending 10/24 of 2021. The stock was FUTU. This is on Wednesday the 20th. This is based on a 60-minute DTS breakout play with a 5-minute shakeout be the tail type of entry. I'll go over that. And management simple reward risk about 2.2 to 1. The back part of this trade did go to the end of the day, even though it really didn't make any more. It kind of topped out around noon or so. This week, for free members at Disciplined Trading Strategies, we have the bi-weekly scanning night. Monday, 5 o'clock Eastern Time, be there for an hour of scanning, kind of informal little session. The Monday night sessions are not recorded, only the events, the educational events are. So we just kind of get together, have some fun, throw around some ideas. I do a little talking about the market. So come by and join us if you can. If you're a DTS member, you will receive an invite in your email Monday sometime. If you're not a DTS member, if you're seeing this on YouTube or something, get over to the Disciplined Trading Strategies homepage and you'll see spots where you can become a DTS member. The homepage is right down here. FUTU daily chart. This daily chart did not mean much. Matter of fact, all that happened this day was we're going to open and stay inside the prior day's range. You might look at that and say, wow, who cares about that? That's not very much. Well, this isn't a swing trade. It isn't a long-term trade. It's a day trade. It was a great day trade. And what you need are precise areas to be able to enter and exit. And the only reason the daily chart is shown, I always show it, but the daily chart approved this only because of one thing, because I felt that the daily chart had made a bottom there. Two things occurred at the same time. We had this big volume down here. We had this gap down green bar that formed. And when you have that little mini novice gap like that, that typically forms a bottom, which means the intraday bias is going up. So it okayed a trade on the 60-minute chart. Here is that 60-minute chart. We had gapped up that prior day and we held without filling the gap. We opened this morning, we were going to gap up a little bit above that base, but because this is a downtrending daily, you got to expect that selling is going to come in. So we look for the bottom on this one. So it comes down to here, get that bottoming tail when it forms and take it back up to the top. That's why the daily chart doesn't look like much, because we took it from the bottom to the top. An ordinary move, the way you should make your money. Here's how it looks on a 5-minute chart. We open up there, come crashing down, we hit that prior day support area, and we bounce there. But there's a critical thing here. This is a little bit tricky because given the daily and given that morning collapse, it wasn't a guarantee this would bounce back. Good odds it would because everything was in place, but I want to show you in the next chart exactly what happened in a little more detail. But anyways, once entering the trade, target 1 there as we approach the key resistance area. If the stock was not going to recover totally, that's where the target would have been for the day. We then take a second target there. Actually wanted to hold this end of the day, but underneath that green bar had to take target number 2. And then target number 3 was end of the day. It ended up closing just slightly under that last target 2. So here it topped out around 1 o'clock and it never went higher than that. So the end of the day hold just gave back a little bit, but you never know when one of these is going to run $2-3. Here's the 1-minute chart. And you can see that collapse, what had happened here. Boom, 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 boom. And I would not have taken this here. I would not have taken it here. This is that stage 1 whack-a-mole. What I want to see is what happened right there. We were in the room and was doing an open house, and I was saying to everybody, if we were to fall and make a new low, I would go long, which of course confused a lot of novice traders because they say, why would you go long on a new low? Well, it's because of all the rest of the chart. That turns out to be a little shakeout. I actually, if you would have dropped it a little further, I would have got in on the downstroke down here, but it kind of bounced, and then I took it over the green bar up in here, which was kind of the safe way to do it. But once that shakeout was there, kind of guarantees it's going to go higher. And then boom, target 1 and target 2 and 3 are off this chart because this is a 1-minute chart. There were several good trades this week, but no super home runs. I don't think this was the best one. It might have been. I'm not really sure, but a lot of just good trades like you should do and making money on those ordinary moves whenever you can. If you like trades like this, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. If you go over to the DTS homepage, over on the left, you'll see a Trading Room and Letters tab. Hop over there and you'll see how you can join us in the Trading Room. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.